Hello everyone. The question here said the volume of a gas at 310 Kelvin was 200 cm cube. Determine its temperature in Kelvin if the volume becomes 250 cm cube. So we're going to find the volume of the gas. Oh, sorry, we are looking for the temperature. So determine the temperature. That means we're looking for this one, not the volume. Sorry. So to determine this temperature, we know the relation. There's a relation. General gas equation. In general gas equation, that means 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 2. Looking at this, you find out that the pressure here is constant. You can cross it off. The pressure is constant. So since the pressure is constant, it's more like the Charles law. It deals with temperature and volume. That is what we have here now. So we said that the volume was 200. The first volume V1 is then 200 cm cube, and then the temperature, first temperature, that is T1 is 310 K. So our V2 here, our V2 is 250 cm cube, but we don't know the T2. Then we can use our question mark to represent it. So based on that, to get this, we can use this to substitute. We substitute for the V1 there. The V1 is 200. The T1 is 310 equal to the volume, which is 250 all over T2 that we don't know. So that's what we're going to find out in this question. So the next thing to do is to look at that substitute. You can cross over. If you cross multiply this multiply that multiply the other one, we will have 200 T equal to times 250. Then the next thing we do here is then we'll making T2 the subject of the formula. We have 3 times 250 all over 200. That will give us 75500 all over 200. So dividing, if we divide it, what we have is 87.5 K, or and 3 approximately, you can approximate it, you have 388 Kelvin. That's our answer. 88 Kelvin. That is the temperature in Kelvin if the volume changed. All right, thank you very much for watching.